At 4 weeks old now, she's strong enough to learn. Lola's nose closes naturally when she's in the sea. But she can't breathe underwater. So she learns to come up for air. She's starting to get the hang of it. Until she opens her mouth and gets a load of seawater and sand. When the tide drops further, it gets even more fun. Extra pools appear. The whole area is one great pup playground. It's a big reason why Lola's mum and probably grandma were born at Punta Norte. It's such a safe swimming place. Mums can leave pups to explore alone. She finds pool after pool. She plays bitey face games with her friend Sophia, practicing how to defend herself and catch things with her teeth. And she has such fun swimming, she doesn't notice that most of the others have already gone back. It's a long way back to the beach when the tide is out. Other pups are heading for a snooze with creche mates. They choose the most direct route. The middle is the safest place to be and the favorite. But Lola's mum is waiting on the beach, and that's the best place of all. It's a very different day at Punta Norte. The tide is in, and the wind is whipping up the waves. Maria is hungry. She heads off for a few days feeding. Lola doesn't want to be left behind this time. After swimming in the rock pools, her confidence is high. She sets off to follow Maria. Her mum dips under the next wave. And Lola feels the full force of the southern Atlantic. This huge sea is way out of her league. She hurries back to her friends. As Peninsula Valdez is a protected area, pleasure boats and fishing activities are restricted. It means Maria can find food close to the shore, ideal for a mum with a hungry daughter on the beach. Her hearing is superb, and her sensitive whiskers pick up vibrations in the water. So even when visibility is poor, she can still find fish to hunt. Bigger prey she'll often shake to rip it apart. Small anchovies like these, she swallows whole. Hunting well takes months of practice. Maria will be alongside her daughter for almost a year, teaching the skills she needs. Back on the beach, Lola's day has got much better. There's so many things to discover and play with. She practices shaking seaweed prey and feels new textures with her whiskers. She tests out what might be good to eat, what smells bad, and how her flippers work. It's all very intriguing. There's lots of bitey face games on the beach today. As she plays, Lola's jaws are getting stronger and faster. It means she'll catch more fish in the future and one day be able to defend her own pup. It's even possible to play with 3, if you're really quick. As the wind picks up, the sea gets rougher. Maria is back from hunting and wants to sleep. But Lola has spotted something and it needs investigating. It's unusual. Lola's not met a penguin before. She spots a youngster too. She tests it out with her teeth, but it doesn't flap like seaweed. It seems quite cross and doesn't like bitey games. She tries again, but he doesn't join in. He's no fun. The tide is on its way out, so soon better games are on offer. The rock pool playground is open. Maria takes Lola down to hone her swimming skills. Some friends have come along too. Sophia is the best rock pool buddy. Together, they play great games. Dipping under the water to avoid a bite. Swimming further in a game of sea lion tag. It's really easy to float, but diving down is trickier.